Have you ever felt your PC slowing down, crashing, or acting just weird? Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to format your PC and reinstall Windows 11 safely. Before we dive in, if you want to see the Windows 10 version of this process, I already made a full guide. You can check it via the I button on your screen or in the description below. But today, we're leveling up to Windows 11. Let's get started. Formatting your PC and reinstalling Windows is like giving your computer a fresh start. Over time, files pile up, apps conflict, and performance drops. Windows 11 is different from Windows 10 in design, security, and features, so today's process is specially tailored for it. By the end of this video, your PC will feel brand new, fast, and clean. But here's a twist. Doing this incorrectly can cause data loss or system errors. So stick with me, and I'll guide you safely step by step. First things first, always back up your files. Pictures, videos, documents, everything you care about. You can use an external hard drive, a USB drive, or cloud storage like OneDrive or Google Drive. Right now, I am on a Windows 11 desktop, and this may be the first scenario where you are able to access your desktop. If you are already on the desktop, you can reset your PC by going to Settings, or you can use a simpler method. Click on the Windows search, type Reset, and you will see Reset this PC. Clicking this will take you directly to the Reset options. Once you are on the Reset this PC page, you will see two options: Keep my files or Remove everything. What is the difference between these two? Keep my files. If you want to reset Windows without losing your personal data or application settings, select this option. It will reset the PC but retain your files and settings. Remove everything. If you want a complete reset where all files, applications, and settings are removed, select this option. For demonstration, let's choose Remove everything. Next, you will see two options for reinstalling Windows: Cloud download or local reinstall. Many people may not know the difference between these. Local reinstall uses the existing Windows 11 ISO on your device to reinstall Windows. Cloud download will download a fresh copy of Windows 11 from the internet before reinstalling it. Note that this will use over 4 gigabytes of data, so an internet connection is required. I recommend using Cloud download because if there are any issues with your existing ISO, a local reinstall could carry over problems. Cloud download ensures a completely fresh installation of Windows 11. On the next page, under Additional Settings, you will see a summary of the current selection. By default, it shows, Remove applications and files, do not clean the drive, reinstall Windows from this device. This gives you an overview of what the reset will do. If you have specific requirements, you can click Change Settings, where you will find options for Clean Data and Download Windows. Clean Data. By default, the option is No, which only removes your files. This is faster but less secure. Enabling Yes will clean the drive thoroughly, making it much harder for anyone to recover files. This is ideal if you plan to sell the PC or want maximum data security. Download Windows. Enabling this option will perform a cloud download, providing a fresh Windows ISO from the internet before reinstalling. After selecting your options, click Confirm. You will see a summary showing all selected actions, such as removing personal files, user accounts, applications, and reinstalling Windows. Review this carefully to ensure your selections match your requirements. Click Next, and the device will prepare the reset process. You will see a message like, Preparing, 79%. The PC will automatically restart when ready. The duration of the process depends on the options selected. Choosing Clean the drive will take longer, and selecting Cloud download may take additional time to download the ISO. Patience is required while this process completes. Once the reset process is complete, Windows 11 will automatically begin reinstalling and configuring itself. During this stage, the system prepares the new Windows environment, installs essential system files, and configures default settings. Your computer may restart several times during this process, which is completely normal. After the configuration is finished, you will be taken to the Windows 11 desktop or the initial setup screen, depending on the reset option you selected. However, the final result will depend on the reset option you chose earlier. If you selected Remove Everything and enabled Clean the drive, The PC will appear as brand new, with no previous files or applications remaining. If you selected Keep My Files was selected, personal files will still be available. For users stuck on the login screen, there is an alternative method. First, go to the login screen where you normally enter your password or PIN. In the lower right corner, you will see the power icon. Click on this icon, but before selecting Restart, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding the Shift key, click Restart. Keeping the Shift key pressed during the restart tells Windows to launch the advanced startup environment instead of booting normally. After a few moments, your computer will restart and display a blue screen with several recovery options. On this screen, select Troubleshoot. This section contains tools that help repair or reset the system. Inside the Troubleshoot menu, choose Reset this PC, and the same options will appear for you to choose. This method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If a full format is required instead of a standard reset, a bootable USB drive can be created. Use a Windows 10 USB for Windows 10 PCs or a Windows 11 USB for Windows 11 PCs. In my previous video, I explained the complete process of creating a bootable USB drive. If you would like to learn how to create one, you can watch that full video by clicking the I button on the screen. I'll also place the link in the description for easy access. Once your bootable USB is ready, simply insert the USB drive, restart your computer, and boot from the USB device. Then follow the Windows installation process. During the setup, you will reach a screen where Windows asks you to choose a partition for installation. At this stage, select all existing partitions on the drive, including any recovery partitions, and either delete or format them. After that, select the newly available drive space and proceed with the Windows installation. This process will completely remove all existing data and any previous Windows installations from the system. Once the installation is finished, your computer will start with a fresh and clean Windows environment. If you performed a full format, all previous applications, personal files, and system settings will be completely removed, giving you a brand new setup. At this point, you should clearly understand which reset option is best depending on your situation. A standard reset using Keep My Files, if you want to reset Windows without deleting personal data. A complete wipe using Remove Everything, and optionally enabling Clean Data for a more secure deletion. Or using Cloud Download if you want to reinstall a completely fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft servers. If you still have any questions about which reset method is best for your device, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another helpful solution. Have a great day.